story goes, little hope but bigger dreams.
In this video, I'll be using some products from Treluxe, which I can say have been some of my favorite new go-to products. This video is sponsored by Treluxe, so thank you for sponsoring this video. So I'm going to do some flat twists today, but I'm going to start off by cleansing my hair with the Curl, Renew, and Restore Gentle Cleanser. I'm going to use a couple of pumps of this and spread this throughout my hair. This product gives you great lather, but it won't leave your hair feeling stripped. It's definitely perfect for people who do not like the stripping feeling some shampoos leave. This product also contains slippery amps, so it is definitely one of the best shampoos I've ever used to actually detangle my hair. So it is great in that sense. It will leave your hair feeling cleansed, but definitely not stripping. With my hair freshly cleansed, I'm going to start off by parting my hair. I'm going to do a side part. However, you can part your hair however you want. I just find that it is best to part your hair however you want it to lay, because trying to switch up your parts, change your hair after your hair has dried is going to be tragic. So I'm going to part my hair down the middle and put my hair into two front sections. And then I'm going to split the back section into two and kind of work that way and clip that middle section up. I'm going to use the Treluxe styling products, and I'm going to first go in with the untie the knot leave-in. I'm going to spread that all over the back section of my hair. This leave-in definitely smells absolutely amazing. It smells like apple cinnamon, like your grandma just made an apple pie. It smells that good. The leave-in is not thick, but it does layer really well. I find that I can be heavy-handed with this leave-in. I don't have to worry about flakes. It's pretty easy to distribute, so I can't be mad about that. I'm going to put this, distribute this all throughout the back section of my hair. And then I'm going to go in with the 4-in-1 hydrating cream, which is definitely has made its way into one of my top styling creams. This cream is thick and it gives you a ton of slip. It feels good going onto your hair, and I can see the definition that I get in the my curls defining when I apply this product. So this product is definitely bomb. It's creamy, it's smooth, it's literally everything you can want in a styling cream. So I don't distribute the 4-in-1 styling cream throughout the whole section like I do the leave-in. I kind of just apply that styling cream as I twist up my hair. I just find that it's easier because I want to make sure all my strands are thoroughly coated with that cream. And so after that, I'm going to go in with the Reflex Curl Styling Serum, and I'm going to take a dime size of this. Yes, I mean a true dime size of this serum. I'm going to use this serum to kind of help combat humidity. Normally, I just stop at the cream, but I find that I've been finding that my hair has not been withstanding the humidity, so I wanted to go in with this serum because it is supposed to give you a light hold, but it's not going to make your hair feel hard or crunchy like a gel. And it definitely helped with the humidity, and I felt like my hair did last a little bit longer than it has been lasting lately, so I can't be mad about that. So I'm then going to go in to those next front sections. I'm going to spray some water because my hair has started to dry out. And then I'm going to go in and apply that leave-in again. So I do split my section into two sections, and then I just braid down towards my ear. Then I just twist down towards my ear. So then I make sure to go in with my dimming brush and detangle my hair so that my hair is smooth. The smoother my hair is, the easier it is to unravel and the less frizz I have. So I don't know if any of you guys seen Minnie Marley's flat twist video, but I basically part my hair the same way she does. I just don't twist the same way she does. And it's all about just finding what works for you, how many twists you need, how you like your hair to lay. It's just all kind of up to you. So once I finish twisting up my hair, I'm gonna let my hair dry overnight, and this is what my hair looks like 3 days later. As you guys can see, I still have really good definition. My hair is voluminous like I like it, and so I really do like these products. As I said earlier, the humidity has been taking a toll on my braid outs and twist outs, so definitely using this reflex serum has definitely helped, because by now, day 3, I would have started to have lost definition, and I have not. So yeah, you can get these products at your local Walgreens, and actually throughout the month of February, they're going to be buy one, get one 50% off, so you definitely don't want to miss out on that. I highly recommend the products that I used in this video, and if you want to see what my hair looked like in a braid out without using the serum, make sure you click this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.